Yo, hi, me again. With Ubuntu, we must go to the folder where we put the Mango settings. Then open terminal. So here we have the config, dependencies and the readme. And installing Mango's server, I've done this script called config install. Boom. But this should be done as sudo, as there are dependencies for the WoW server on Ubuntu. Then boom, password for the Mango's user is Mangos. We will need to install or work to the Lich King. I don't really care which version should I install. Then install the dependencies. And again, using the yes command internally. Should I install this? Yes. Should I install that? Yes. Should I install something? I don't care. Yes again. This thing, by the way, we will install the MySQL server, and there is a trick with the lower versions of SQL than 5.7. For example, MySQL 5.6 will ask you to set a password for the root user, but MySQL 5.7 will not. That's why you should put this password manually. So I'm gonna show you how to do that now and end the session for now. Lip boost and boost lip. That's why I love Ubuntu. You just run one command and bash scripts do everything for you. Unity Control Center. I think there was an option for this bar to be like in the Windows Start menu. But since there's a updated version, I don't really care for that just now. All we need is the console. Here it stops to the MySQL root user password. In this Ubuntu, in fact, has MySQL 5.7, and it does not give that option for you to choose the password for the root user. So if you don't have a password that you typed anywhere in this setup configuration, then you should press enter like so. And my script will provide you with the instructions to reset the root password like so. Just copy these into one text editor. Boom, like so. First thing we need to do is stop the daemon. Stopping, do the process. Then create this special folder this mode of SQL needs. It will kind of crash otherwise or give an error. Then this magical long spell that tells it to run in a special mode, just for our purposes there, to reset the password. Then we just need to log in. Boom, and we're in. Run the first privileges. So we are having the MySQL database we need to modify. I'm gonna set the plugin to be MySQL native password because I don't want to use any sockets, like so. And we also have the MySQL 5.7, and we need this query to set our password here. I'm gonna put Mangoes because I don't care. Like so. Then if they're trying, by the way, to get rid of this password function which hashes the password, so if some of these fail, just use the new way to set the password. Set criterions for root to your new password, then flush. flush that, commit the data, then exit. Stop the flying demon. Then restart that. If it fails, just, I don't know, raise the system. It will work either way. Let's see if this thing will fail. It will probably does. But after this step, our password will be set up. It doesn't drain CPU. Is it doing really anything? Gnomes and leprechauns. Only the elves are missing in this picture. Oh well. VirtualBox client a bunch of times. Come on, baby. It's not that hard, I know. Failed. Status of the service will be like denied. Snap GNOME system monitor. I'm not gonna really take my time to investigate this. I'm just gonna restart the system. And my new password should be present. At least it does it quite fast. Western Digital Blacks are very hard drives. They are very fast, but you can see the cracking like. I don't really care since it's a good drive. Come on, baby. There we go. Let's open one terminal. Boom, and there we're in. this is our new password set for the root user. Set it to Mangos, just to be very easy here. And the other thing is, this is a virtual box. I don't really care. This server is gonna be used for me and my friends to play in as admins. It's not going to be public, or rather, I don't know. So we need to run again the configuration script. Install Mangos, then go to the Lich King, install dependencies. We already have the dependencies, so I'm gonna skip that option. Password for the root user is Mangos. We've set it a bunch of minutes ago. I'm not using a proxy, so it should be all dependencies. Mangos poof. No. It removes my proxy because I don't really have a proxy to download the sources and compile them. And boom, let's do the thing. This is in fact creating the World of the Lich King directory, and it's gonna populate it with a bunch of other directories. So the sources are in this Mangos folder, and we also have the DB folder, which is that. This will be standard. It doesn't matter that the internal DB is Postgre or or MySQL or whatever. Inside of the dedicated title, my script will create Mangos and DB folders. This is directly taken from here. Not that important, but oh well. This is not the Mangos I am installing now. I'll just go to my profile. I'm installing that. Build the sources. Yeah, why not? Compilation debug mode. No. Precompiled headers. they recommend precompiled headers. There is nothing about headers in this page, so I'm gonna skip that option. Enable warnings during compilation, no. PostgreSQL, I'm using MySQL, so no. Compile include map extractor tools, this is yes. Also yes. And it starts like so. This is about your compilation options. I need the map extractors to go to my WoW folder. This is in fact for Ascent servers. They have another core, so this thing should be different. I'm having the client on Windows, so this should be much easier. This and that are used by the Ascent servers that I installed in a VirtualBox XP some time ago. So I'm gonna need this 335A. In fact, this was the to the Lich King. Right here, or to the Lich King client. So here is my client, here is my server. Now it's compiling. I'm not going to wait for it to finish. This process takes very long, so I'll just leave the video as that. Boom.